There's a cool strategy to make money online, and it involves just your time. No investment, no nothing at all. It isn't a hard method. There's going to be tools which will help you, and then there's going to be just the profit for us. So hit that subscribe and let's go and do it. First of all, this is going to work all around the world. It doesn't matter where you live. Anybody can make money with this, anybody. Whether you live in Africa, whether you live in Australia, the money is there, so just follow the steps. First of all, what we need is a downloader for Vimeo. This is the first tool that we need. Now, you probably know what Vimeo is. It's a video platform, just like YouTube, but it is not monetized. It is a different sort, but we can use it in order to make money for us. We're going to download videos from Vimeo, so that's exactly why we need a downloader for Vimeo. You can use any one of these. You can use this one. In here, you just insert that link and hit submit. It's going to go to your computer. Now, the next step for this method is going over to warriorplus.com. Now, don't you worry. This is not a hard affiliate marketing strategy. Warrior Plus is going to help us to make that money. Warrior Plus has thousands of affiliates. It has top-notch products, and you can make a lot of money with the help of this. Don't worry, it's not going to be hard. What you want to do is you want to create yourself an account and join this. Later, when you make yourself an account, you want to go inside and you're going to see these top products. But don't take these top products because they're based on someone else's opinion. What you want to do is you want to click on affiliate and then go over to offers. And in here, you're going to get a lot of useful information. So first of all, you want to check for refund rate. You want to try and aim for the lowest refund rate that you can possibly find, but never go above 6%. You can use this one 0%, 1%, 3%, but never use these like 6 or 7%. Don't even use these ones that have like 5. 2% is good, 1% is good, 3% is good as well, but these others are not good. Basically, that means that people are returning that, and that means that you can lose your money. So for example, you can get $10, but if the person decides to get a refund, you're going to lose those $10. Now, what do you want to do as well? You want to check the conversion rate. This number has to be as high as possible. And of course, average sale has to be as high as possible. But this is the main thing. This is the most important one. So just choose based on that. Now I'm going to find certain offer which I like. But of course, you can just choose whatever you want. I'm just going to use this as an example. So easy flip book. This is what I like. So I'm going to click on it and then you're going to be redirected to the offer itself. You can see the vendor and you can see the sales page and you can see the view JV page. Now JV page is going to help you with all of the useful information that you can include. This is where you get some tips and tricks on how to sell this, how to promote this, and how to get a lot of traffic for it. And of course, the more traffic you get, the more chances you've got to make a lot of money. So if you want to run this offer or any other, you just want to click on request approval. And in 12 hours or 24 hours at most, this guy is going to approve that. Now what you want to do is you want to go on sales page. And on this sales page, you're going to see what this is all about. And I suggest that you read a bit, you see what this is, and you can see easy flip book. It allows people to sell something, to flip these books, and they can get the money. But of course, they want to buy this first, and this program will teach them how to do it. Now, what you want to do in here, you want to find this video. Each one of these, some not, but a lot of these have the videos on their sales page. So you want to get this one. All you got to do is to right click on it, and then just click on copy link and thumbnail. Copy link and thumbnail. Now you go back to that Vimeo downloader which we have found. You just paste that in here, and you click on submit. Now it's going to go to your computer and you can do whatever you want with it. Now the next thing which will help us to get the money with this is we have to attract the traffic with this video. Now what you want to do is you want to go over to canva.com, and you know that canva.com has a lot of these templates, a lot of videos, a lot of pictures, but today we're just using this as a video editor. So what you want to do is you want to click on the custom size, and then you just want to select this one, video. Select this one, and you're going to be led inside of the editor. Now you can choose whatever you want, but we have downloaded that video. So now we just have to upload that video in here. We're going to edit this video so people can watch it, and then they can just be redirected to make that purchase and to make us money. Now originally this video, once it is uploaded, it is long. If you go here, you can see that it is long 3 minutes, almost 4 minutes. But on Canva, we want to make it shorter. We want to make it sweet and short so people can then just click on the link that we put in the description. So at the end, you want to add this. You can just add a page, and you can just add a bit of a text. Text is in here. Click on text, add a heading, and then you just want to write in here. Click the link in the description to watch the full video. Now, this is going to attract people. They're going to watch like 30 seconds of that video, but you're going to make this call to action for them so they can watch the whole video. You can even add for free. If you add for free, then there's going to be a lot more people clicking on there because people just like to get free stuff. That's how it works. Now you can just rescale this. You can move this around. You can make it look nicer, and you can even animate this. If you click on the animate button on the left hand side here, you have a lot of these. So how do you want this to pop up? This is going to be good. So after this video, it's going to be like this, and it's going to look good. Now the link in the description is going to of course lead them to this page where they will just go and buy it, and you will get the commission. Okay, your link is going to be tracked once this vendor approves you. And now we just have to download this video from canva.com. You can just click on the share button, then click on the download, and it's going to go over to your computer. Now you could directly upload this video on YouTube, but you don't have to use only youtube.com. You can as well use rumble.com. Rumble.com has a lot of traffic. It's a new video platform, but it is really successful. At its start, it is really successful and it gathers a lot of people online. They have a lot of traffic. And of course, we know that the more traffic we get, the more money we can get. So rumble.com is a good one. You can check out the Rumble on similarweb.com. You can see that they have 122 million total visits each month. And if you scroll down there, you can see that the website has nice steady growth, and it's a good growth from 107 million to 122 million. So rumble.com is a good traffic source. So what do you want to do? You want to go and you want to create yourself an account. You want to upload that video which we have made, and you want to put that in the description, the link for the affiliate offer. Then a lot of people are going to click on it. They're going to watch your short video, and then they're going to click, and then they're going to be redirected in here where they can watch the full video and of course opt to buy this easy flipbook. And that's going to give you the money. That's going to give you the commissions. Now, of course, Rumble is going to be for free. You don't have to pay for it. But there's this strategy as well. This website is called Imgur.com, and this has a lot of traffic. The good thing about this one is that we have short video, and there's no long content on this platform. They just put like GIFs, they just put like short videos, and they put pictures. So you can just be sure that this is going to get you a lot of traffic. Imgur.com is a really popular website, and it's really good. Now we can see that Imgur.com has 160 million total visits. So each month, 160 million total visits. The website is a constant traffic source. You can see 182 million. So it's a nice way to get some traffic. All you gotta do is to make yourself an account. Then you just click on the new post here. Then you just drop the image or the video, and then just add the description, which is gonna lead to your offer. Now, I've told you that you can use this youtube.com platform as well because no one's stopping you. But my honest suggestion is that you use as many of these as possible. Just follow the numbers, follow the refund rate, and the more of these you do, the more chances you've got. You can even involve yourself into these PLR products. Now, if you don't know what PLR stands for, it is private label rights. Now, this is the ebooks and something like that, which can get you a lot of money. Also, remember to always visit the sales page. The sales page is going to give you a lot of information which you can use, and it can help you to get a lot of that traffic. Also, just remember to use canva.com as your video editor, and it's all going to come to place. You're going to get a lot of money because you have a lot of these traffic sources, and it's all going to work for you. You don't do nothing. You just invest your time at the beginning, and then later you just get that passive income. So just go and follow these steps, hit subscribe, and I'll catch you.